Welcome to this tutorial on using Firebase authentication with your NextJS app. In previous videos, I have shown how to create working login and sign up pages in easiest way. In this video, I am going to show how to send a user to either login page or home page when he is logged in or logged out. I'll try to do this in an easiest way I know. So I will run this project in browser by using this command. It is opened in this URL. This sign up and login pages were done in previous videos. So now I will show you how to send user to login page when he is logged out and send to home page when he is logged in. It can be done easily by editing app.js. Here we need to import on-auth state changed from Firebase Auth. And also import auth from firebase.js that we have exported previously here. Here already I have created home.jsx. This is home page. We should send user to home page when he is logged in. Otherwise we should send him to login page. I'll also import use effect. It always refreshes the page and checks if user is logged in or logged out. Now I will implement use effect here. And arrow function. I will copy on-auth state changed code from Firebase documentation to save some time. This is that code. This code will detect if user is logged in or logged out. Here to navigate from one page to another page, I will import router from next. Here I can use router.push. This will send user to home page when, and here I will use router.push to send user to login page when he is logged out. Now let's check it if it works. Now it shows home page because I was logged in previously. When I try to go to another page, it redirects to home page because your user was logged in. I will clear cookies so that it will be logged out. You can see that it redirected to login page when I logged out. And when I logged in, it redirected to home page. It redirected to home page. Now I'll remove this here and type as loading. Now I will add a sign out button in home page. For that we should import auth from Firebase.js and import sign out from Firebase Auth. This method will sign out user. I forgot to add const. Now it should work. I will add br for some gap. Now you can see that it works. So this method works successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helps you.